Hi friends! The book I'm going to read you today is called 10 Little Dinosaurs, and it is written by Pattie Schnetzler. Now it's a cute little book. It's got these googly eyes, but when I hold the book up, they don't really come down, so you won't be able to see them. There, you can kind of see them there. All right, let's begin. 10 Little Dinosaurs. 10 little dinosaurs bouncing on the bed. Pachycephalosaurus fell off and broke his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, "No more boneheads bouncing on the bed." Nine little dinosaurs riding on a bike. Stegosaurus crashed and smashed his spike. The policeman yelled from atop his trike, "No more nut brains riding on a bike." Eight little dinosaurs munching on a mooth. Tyrannosaurus chomped and broke his tooth. The dentist shouted from his dentist booth, "No more sharp tooths munching on a mooth." Seven little dinosaurs rafting down a river. Spinosaurus flipped over and went all a-quiver. The lifeguard said with a cold, wet shiver, "No more silly sails rafting down the river." Six little dinosaurs jumping off a peak. Archaeopteryx dove and tweaked his beak. One called the ranger and the ranger shrieked, "No more featherheads jumping off a peak." Five little dinosaurs playing in the street. Ankylosaurus yelled, "A car to beat." He charged the street, squeal, screech, bleat, spleet. No more dino tanks playing in the street. Four little dinosaurs acting sorta cool. Supersaurus wore his shades to school. The teacher sighed, "Why, that's against the rules. No more super lizards acting sorta cool." Three little dinosaurs on a camp out. Chasmosaurus asked, "What's a lava tube about?" He slid the tube, then blasted out the spout. No more frill seekers on a camp out. Two little dinosaurs watching baseball. Saurolophus yelled, "Hey, that's a bad call." The umpire didn't like that talk at all. No more big mouths watching baseball. One little dinosaur walking all alone. The sun burnt Triceratops into dried up bones. "Look," called the scientist, "at all these fossil stones. No more three horns walking all alone." No more dinosaurs hanging on the brink. They all disappeared in a geologic wink. The doctor cried, "Well, this just stinks. Poor little dinosaurs all extinct." The end. Thanks for listening, friends. See you next time.